You want to expand your drum set sound portfolio? Then the Mr. Muff Muff Bites could be just the right choice for you. The dampers cover 1/3 of the drum head, so that even when using two muff bites, the natural feel of the drum head stays the same. The muff bite reduces the overtones and ensures a clear and crisp sound. The black felt ring is equipped with magnets that hold the muff bite firmly in place on the rim. This means you can even use them on the resonant head. The sound of the drum becomes more compressed and has less sustain. For non-magnetic die-cast tubes, 3 metal clamps are included with each muff bite.